Now we want to do activity 2.18. And in activity 2.18, we are going to produce fillets, not as we did before where we used the fillet command, but we're instead going to make a sketch fillet. I don't actually like to make sketch fillets, but I want you to know that they're there. Sometimes they're needed. If you can do a fillet as an actual command and not as a part in your sketch, that's better. But we're going to do this to learn how to do it. Okay, so we're going to use the part we created in 217. So actually, I'm just going to save this as 217, just because I don't know what's going to come up here. Okay, we want to edit the sketch that defines the cut extrude. Then we want to shift-click one horizontal line and one vertical line, then choose the sketch fillet command and set the radius to 16 millimeters. Let's try that. So here we want to edit this sketch, We want to click one of the vertical lines and one of the horizontal lines. And then we want to come up to the sketch fillet command, which is here. And we want to set it to 16. And that's great. Okay. Verify the preview looks correct. Then click the remaining horizontal vertical lines near the blah, blah, blah. And great. Okay. So that's going to look correct. We're going to keep doing the same thing here. Okay, excellent. Actually, I don't have to hold shift on those. It knows what I'm trying to do. Okay, so now the mass should be 88.66. Check the mass properties. We're still in the evaluate thing. 88.66, fantastic. That one has worked, and that was great to have a nice, refreshing 2.8 activity that was simple, straightforward, and good to go. Okay, looks like I should have saved this as 2.18. So we're going to do that.